Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. Got another radio from Jeff's collection. Unfortunately, he didn't include any notes about this radio, so I know very little about it. I'm looking for your comments that can give us some information about this radio. As you can see, it's a Zenith. It's probably a 5-tube radio, maybe more than 5 tubes because it's pretty large, big speaker. Let me get my ruler here. And it is a little over 10 inches across and stands about 7 inches. And the depth is about 5.5 inches. So it's a pretty big radio. AM only. Ooh, I'm guessing 1950s vintage maybe. This is the volume on-off knob. This is the tuning knob. There's a knob over here which I have no idea what it's for. Maybe we can play with the radio and see if there's any variance by turning that. It's in pretty good condition with one deep scratcher on the top. And I'll bring it even closer. I remember as a kid, I loved Zenith radios and TVs. They were high quality. Now, it's suffering from all the electronics in my workshop. So you're going to hear a lot of static. But here we go. Anyway, we'll tune it real quick because, like I say, it's got a lot of static. Turn the volume up.
3, 2, 1.
Of course, great speaker with this. I mean, great audio with this big speaker. Okay, we'll go down to the bottom of the band. Okay, well, now we're at the bottom of the band. I'll turn the volume up some. Lots of noise.
Because if you can count,
here's a strong station.
bars or count anything else again.
Another station. Okay, there's lots of stations around here, but it's just not getting above the noise.
Or the mic, as we like to say. All right, Amy, let's do it. Jump.
That's the one I had before.
Your payments by up to 50,
Right there.
or even. We want to try to access the ET.
So there's strong stations are coming through.
The mainstream media is not doing much on it, but I suspect they will.
And the audio is very good once it breaks through that noise.
Message and data rates may apply. Individual results may vary. Exclusions apply.
Mariani Show.
I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. That's about it. I'll show you the back real quick. And we'll go back to one of those. See, there's no markings as far as model number. I looked on the bottom, there's nothing on the bottom. So let's go back to one of those strong stations.
50. LASIK Vision Institute has already performed
There.
over 1 million procedures.
Turn it down a little bit. Now we're going to turn this knob here on the side. See what it does.
20/20 vision for a fraction of what others charge.
Tone.
Vision's better value. The LASIK
Yeah,
Vision Institute.
that's tone control.
The year you finally get LASIK for a free consult.
All the way
An extra 20% discount. Text CLEAR11 to
with the treble out.
350. You'll see for free.
Treble in.
LASIK is right for you.
It's not marked. I don't see any markings. There might have been at one time in a rub off. Now, Jeff has a detailing business, so he knows how to clean up these radios. I imagine this one was pretty dirty. Possibly there was some writing here, and it either had already worn off or it worn off when he cleaned it. So it's in pristine condition right now. Look at that thing shine. That's it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I've got a couple more left from the last batch he brought me. We'll be showing those, and I've got one that's very unusual, and I'm saving it to last. It's the best. That's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm producing shows that you enjoy, not just wasting your time. I hate to waste people's time. If you haven't subscribed, that would make things easier for you to find my radios, and you could click on that little bell and then you get notification when I upload a new video. But maybe you don't want more emails. You're overloaded with emails already. That's okay. Have a great day. Bye-bye.